Kelnerowa is a small village near Rzeszów. Just a few years ago, it would have been difficult to find any information about it on the internet. The University of Information Technology and Management in Rzeszów, a leader in national university rankings, chose to build a modern university campus in Kelnerowa. Currently, the complex includes buildings with classrooms, one of the biggest sports halls in the Podkarpacki region, a hotel, a dormitory, an old Polish-style inn, and a horse riding center. The most recent investment is the Center of International Education. It is an innovative and complex EU project realized by Uitm within the operational program Development of Eastern Poland. It is worth mentioning that Uitm is the only non-state university in Poland which was granted funds within this program. The main objective of the project is a modern building for didactic purposes with a floor space of nearly 5,500 square meters. The project's cost is 30 million Polish zloty. The center is fully computerized and equipped in a highly specialized and innovative manner. Specialists within a wide range of IT competences will be educated here. The center has a backup system installed, as well as a loudspeaker system, a system for simultaneous interpretation and video conferences, and wireless internet. This new structure holds an auditorium for 300 people with the most state-of-the-art projection system, 2 lecture rooms, many classrooms, and a multimedia library. The building has special intelligent systems to manage the heating and lighting. It is also adapted to suit the needs of the physically challenged. Computer laboratories are equipped with special devices for the visually impaired, such as monitors and braille printers. For the hearing impaired, special induction loops were installed in the lecture rooms and classrooms to facilitate the reception of the audio material. This shows that modern IT solutions also help remove obstacles for the disabled. The building has 17 modern laboratories of teleinformatic technologies with specialist equipment of the latest generation. They include a laboratory of fundamentals of automatics and robotics, a laboratory of finance, of sound and acoustics processing, a laboratory of intelligent IT systems, computer graphics and digital art, and of remote medical diagnostics. A unique solution is a virtual cave, which functions in the laboratory of image processing and virtual reality. In a special room, 3D glasses are used. The user sees a 3-dimensional, computer-generated image, which creates a virtual reality in the cave. The user selects an image, perhaps of mountains, sea, forest, or some other interior, and it is displayed on the walls. The user can walk about in the virtual world and listen to its sounds. Thanks to special gloves, users can even touch the virtual objects. Uitm students and scholars will create virtual worlds for cave users in the classes. The laboratory is also of interest to the National Defense University, which wants to make battlefield simulations here. In the Laboratory of Computer Graphics and Digital Art, modern equipment was installed which shows how to use IT to make flat 2D graphics and 3Ds. The students can also use a 3D object scanner and a 3D printer. Another innovative solution of the university is the Laboratory of Finance, which simulates the stock exchange and a broker's working conditions. This was done by the Uitm Institute of Financial Research and Analysis. It is one of the first such initiatives in Central and Eastern Europe. The room has 24 computers, terminals, with dual screens, such as are used by stockbrokers. Such equipment makes the use of financial software easy and convenient, in particular when working with price charts of particular financial instruments. In the laboratory, there's also a video wall made up of 6 smaller screens. Each of them shows different financial information simultaneously. The laboratory also offers access to business channels from digital satellite TV. The equipment was supplied by the same company which equipped the Warsaw Stock Exchange. For the Laboratory of Automatics and Robotics, UITM bought several modern humanoid and industrial robots used in factories for production. Students are going to learn how to operate the robots and learn programming to improve their functionality. The Laboratory of Teaching Techniques, supported with modern information technologies, shows various communities, such as teachers, how to use IT tools in teaching by using modern e-learning systems. The Laboratory of Remote Medical Diagnostics shows how to use IT in medicine. Using telemedicine-related tools or remote monitoring of the patient's condition, the work of hospitals and doctors can be facilitated. For example, remote surgery can be done. The newest models of innovative devices used in the center's laboratories cost nearly 10 million Polish zloty. Such an investment is a huge step towards the university's further development. This comprehensively equipped center is going to educate specialists within a wide range of the latest IT solutions. In this way, the project's aim is to increase the level of information society development in the Podkarpacki region. As can be seen, the region has gained an innovative didactic center which combines theory and practice, and which will serve mainly the students from the region. A place was created to help them develop and increase their chances of finding work. Teaching programs will correspond to the demands of the labor market. Education will be adjusted to the needs of high-technology branches in the Podkarpacki, such as the Aviation Valley Cluster and companies active within the Informatyka Podkarpacka Association. The specialist laboratories will also be used for research by companies cooperating with the university. Already during their studies, students will be invited by enterprises to internships and apprenticeships and participate in research. The center is located in an impressive modern building. The construction of the UITM Center for International Education in Kelnerowa has been deemed the best managed project in Poland in the Polish Project Excellence Award 2010 competition. The UITM campus in Kelnerowa is a state-of-the-art, professionally managed center. The EU funds allocated to its construction have certainly been well spent. Thanks to the center, the university is able to prepare workers for today's economy in the region, the country, and the world. This is a great chance for talented young people to gain high qualifications in the Podkarpacki and enter the high technology sectors developing here.